Johan here from UX Nitro, and in this short video I'm going to help you answer the question: is it worth moving from Adsense over to Ezoic? Will there be a significant enough increase in ad revenue to compensate for the extra costs associated with Ezoic? And overall, which websites will gain the most benefit from switching? Alright, so I have a website here from a client for a case study. So the first thing that we need to notice from the site, while it is estimated in dollars, this website is in South America. So their audience is from South America, and that's typically going to be slightly lower than the United States. Okay, so a couple of things that we can notice here at the bottom. So you will notice here at the bottom is the name, a thing called mediation. So basically what mediation is mediation is when Ezoic allows Adsense the ability to be for particular ad places. Meaning that if Adsense have a ad that is outbeing any ad, that pays more than any other ad to have that placement, then Ezoic will allow this transaction to happen, essentially getting the highest bidder for the location, the ad location. And what we can notice here is that the mediation is slightly lower, but what you can notice is that if the mediation is low, that means that Adsense doesn't have the most profitable ads for the location. So that is one way of looking at it. But overall, this some websites I've noticed had a higher number of mediation revenue than actual Ezoic revenue. In that case, it will still be better to be with Ezoic, because Ezoic is essentially being the doorman and allowing the person with the highest bid to get inside of the building. So that way, Ezoic is definitely the better ad network. I won't say better ad network, but a better way of managing your ads. Let's say it in that way. So who will benefit from moving over from Adsense to Ezoic? All websites, from small up until large, depending on your niche, would be great to move over to Ezoic. That's definitely going to be a plus point, but let's just speak about the caveats. If your website is doing poorly right out of the gate with Adsense, then moving over to Ezoic will not fix that ad revenue problem. So basically, if you move over to Ezoic will just slightly amplify what you currently have. So your bottom line revenue will always depend on the quality of content that you have. So if your website is doing really good at the moment in Adsense, yes, I will also move over to Ezoic. They say it takes about up to 12 weeks for the system to get everything in line and to optimize the ads. But from my experience, if your website's already doing good, the optimization process can be a lot quicker, so you don't need to wait that long. Alright, so I hope this answers your question. The short answer is yes. 99% of websites from small to medium to large would be good or benefit from moving over to Ezoic. Alright, if you've got any questions, send me a message down below, or like and subscribe to help me boost this channel. Speak to you guys later.